Hi, if you're seeing this, you've probably seen one of my hundreds of church tech tutorials on YouTube or somewhere else. Either way, I'd just like to reintroduce myself. My name is Paul Allen Clifford. In each of my videos, I talk a little bit about ChurchTechU, but I don't go into a lot of detail. So I thought that today I would real quick show you just a little bit about it in case you're interested. So let's head over to my computer, and you'll see that this is ChurchTechU.com. Now this is the main website here. So this is what you can see where I talk just all about the different stuff that's available inside ChurchTechU. But let me go back into the back end where you can see what all is available to the member churches of ChurchTechU. So let's start off with the library. This is where all the things that are available as a member of ChurchTechU will be listed for you. For example, my live class, you may not know that I do a weekly live class where we talk all about Propresenter and other church tech disciplines. And I do that live so people can ask their questions of me as I'm going through stuff. And I also record it, and that's available only in ChurchTechU. So if you were to go into this, you'll see this is the link for the live class, and then this is all of the replays. So I have over 100 replays, getting close to 150 now, of previous things that I've talked about on the live classes, and those are available exclusively to members. Also, I have my Propresenter 7 courses. So I have different courses that are organized just to make sense of the vast amount of information available about Propresenter in this case. There's other stuff, but primarily Propresenter. So here I'm talking about major updates. This is the Propresenter 7 creation course where I show you how to create presentations and dive really deep into the UI for doing that, how to live stream with Propresenter, and some of my hacks, tips, and tricks that maybe Renewed Vision didn't intend Propresenter to use, but it does it anyway. And finally, if we go over here, we see the Propresenter Community, so that you can ask your questions at any time. This is where I make announcements, etc. So all that is available on a per church basis. So it's one price for your entire church. Everyone that's interested, some people won't be. That's perfectly fine. But maybe your tech team is, maybe the pastoral staff is, maybe the children's ministry, they do technical things as well. Maybe they're interested. Maybe the youth ministry is interested. So any of these ministries that are interested in your church, each person can have his or her own unique login and can dive into the course material and just watch it in their free time. So that's something that I don't think is widely known, and it's where you can get better access to me and better access to me answering your questions without all the noise of sometimes people that are trying to be helpful, but maybe they're not. So I just wanted to show this to you and let you know that if you find this interesting, I've got a special price going on right now. So just click the link along with this video, and you can take advantage of that special price. And once you join, as long as you stay joined, that price is locked in. So go ahead, click the link that came along with this video, and see if ChurchTechU is right for you and your church.